an LZ. Fire truck there already. Ambulance is there. Here comes the chopper. Guys are repositioning the cones because there's a second helicopter coming in with a head-on collision. We're going to fly 2 patients out, and now we're going to set up a new LZ for the second chopper. Prepping the patient. Out of here because there's a second chopper coming in. Now we prep for the second bird that's coming in. This one heading to Westchester Medical Center. And they're going to move the cones back to the original place for the second bird that's coming in. Ambulance crews and fire crews waiting for the second bird to come in. They have to fly in from Newark, so it's going to have to take a while. The pilot's in the bird up in the air, and then the 45-mile ride here. So we're waiting for the second bird, and the poor patient is waiting for the bird to get here. Our chief is here now too, and here comes the second bird. This is the state police helicopter. Had to come in from Stewart Field, Stewart Airport in Newburgh, New York. First one came from from Castor Regional Medical Center, 6 miles from here. This one had to come from 40 miles away. And that junior Proby firefighter is holding the strainer up so that we get better radio reception. They'll learn. Yeah, here comes the bird. Here comes. This is the state police helicopter. Where is it now? There it is. Here's a close-up now of the New York State Police helicopter that flew in. Here's the setup zone. Our engine, the ambulance, and our rescue. I now have a much more comfortable spot. I'm sitting inside the engine. It's not as cold and windy here. They're prepping the patient. I won't go any closer than that. For patient privacy. And over there's the bird. As soon as they get ready to land, I'll get back out. Take off. Moving the patient. The inside of our engine. Our newest engine, 2211. We're ready to take off already. Let me get out. And blasted. Bird's on the way to the hospital. And the guys are getting the cones. Reporting from Montcello FD Setting.